Guys, I want to give you guys my two versions of my y'all remember those raccoon fur hats that came out? My son, he actually liked those hats a lot. So I actually took a old fur coat and I cut it up. I'm sorry, rabbit fur. And then this is just some fabric. This one has the upper where the actual top is out with the tail on it. And I did this version and I did this version. But he's so bougie. You never know with him. I think that his friend, my nephew, will like it. But those was the hats that I made, and we're gonna see if they wind up liking it. I already made one for my other nephew, so he liked it. So I remember the little with the rabbit tail with the raccoon hats with the tails. So these is my two versions of it. This one is made out of rabbit fur, and this one is just made out of the fox fur, and the top part is out, and that one has the top end. So my two versions, and hopefully they will like them. Okay, guys, you have a happy New Year's, and I will talk to you guys later. Over and out. Bye.